5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start with some Bacardi rum, and we're going to build this drink. It's going to be different colors. So after the rum, we put in a little bit of grenadine for color at the bottom, about a tablespoon. Next, we put in some fresh orange juice, a little bit of fresh cranberry juice, some sweet and sour. We're going to put in some dark rum. We're going to top the whole thing off with some 151. Be very careful with this stuff. This is what makes you forget things. Top it off with an orange and a cherry, and there you go.
Wayne to rock on the track, feel it! Today's topic, self-construction. We all came together just to tell y'all something. Guns in school ain't right to me. You gotta be the peace you'd like to see. See yourself free. I use my mind beyond time to talk to the future me. See yourself wealthy. It's time to settle all these beefs, man. Yo, Nelly, help me.
It's like we living in that you can't stop me era. Like, man, when I see you, I'ma pop you era. Like, we ain't learned nothing from the Tupac era, from the B.I. terror. Take a look in the mirror and get your hands out your pockets, black man. It's time we get up, get out, and get something, get a plan. You know we're playing, not a scam. I'm talking something beneficial and helping the next man.
From self-destruction to self-construction, really depends on self-production. Our family's dysfunctional, but we could function to make our next generation option something better than we had, which was close to nothing. Come from the ages of minimum wages, brothers inside cages, millennium slave tip. Put it in the book, but we ain't go through the pages.
And what I like to see is MCs get along. If you got a buck a shot, throw it in a song. Get your lyrics up, it all sound wrong. When I drop, I rock till the cows come home.
I never thought I'd tell anybody to put a gun down. Till last week I saw a 12-year-old kid gunned down. This ain't what life's about. All the shoot 'em up, bang, bang, and never think twice about. That's somebody's son you shot, somebody's daughter you slaughtered. I shed tears for the dearly departed. And the shooters get X like Malcolm. One dead in the grave, one behind bars is the outcome.
Self-construction, what we doing to each other, what we need. Self-construction, crying mother, dying brother, what we need. Self-construction, never ever ran from the Ku Klux Klan. Shouldn't have to run from a black man. We need self-construction, hey, self-construction.
Look at the pot calling the kettle black. I'm in the ghetto black and I ain't trying to be where Diallo and Sean Bell is at. I show these people where hell is at. It's right around the corner from No Hope, where the dope be selling.